Day. Do you know the specialty of today? Yeah, it's Father's Day. Do you know how Father's Day came as a celebration? Here are some interesting facts about Father's Day. A father is a role model, guide, superhero, friend and a protector who stands by their children at all moments. They are the one who teaches us the right value of life and picks us up when we fall and give us the strength to fight again. A father's sacrifice for us can never be expressed in words. Hence, to acknowledge this precious and unconditional bond, every year Father's Day is celebrated. This day is held on various dates across the world, but it is largely celebrated on 3rd Sunday of June. It is a day honoring fatherhood and paternal bonds. The idea of Father's Day was first proposed by Sonora Smart Dodd of the United States, whose father was an American Civil War veteran. He raised her and her 5 siblings after her mother died. Thus, Sonora Dodd became an admirer and the idea of Father's Day was proposed. The first Father's Day was celebrated on June 19, 1910 in America. Later, in 1966, President Lyndon B. Johnson issued the first presidential proclamation honoring fathers, declared the 3rd Sunday of June as Father's Day. As we know, fathers are one of the most beloved heroes. Life seems so incomplete without them. Therefore, this year on Father's Day, let's make them smile their hearts out. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I am Faiha from 6C. My father, my superhero. My father is the most precious gift of God to me. He's a loving father and the most gracious person I have ever seen in my life. He wants me to become a good human being like him. He loves me a lot and always tries to make me cheer up while I'm in a sad mood. We know that fathers play a silent role in our studies, but that silence is their power. Whenever we need their help, they are always available for us. My father is the right hand of my mother and helps my mother in small household work to share her workload. My father is my strength and my light of life. I thank God every day for giving me such a loving and a caring father. Shortly, I can say my father is my superhero. Thank you.
Hi friend, I'm Fatima Jannah from First A. As today we are celebrating Father's Day, I would like to share a short message on Father's Day. Fathers are like candles. They make their daylight out of the darkness. Their care and protection remain as a pillar of strength throughout our lives. I would like to dedicate my words to all devoted fathers. Thank you for your love, patience and sacrifice. Thanks for being our superheroes. Happy Father's Day!
Good morning. I'm Heza from 9th A. A father is a guiding light whose love shows us the way. Of all the titles I have been privileged to have, that has always been the best. I dedicate this song to all fathers. You heard me say my first words, watched me crawl before I walked. People say I have your eyes, but I've always wanted to have your heart. Oh, 1 in a million, and I got to be yours. Our souls are forever tied together through tears and all the laughter. You love me like no other. You say I'm the center of your whole wide world. I'll always be my daddy's girl. You dance me across the kitchen floor, and we'll dance the day you give me away. You are the first call when I need advice, and you always have the right words to say. Oh, 1 in a million, and I got to be yours. Our souls are forever tied together through tears and all the laughter. You love me like no other. You say I'm am the center of your whole wide world. I'll always be my daddy's girl. The love that you gave me came from another, passed down to me from a heavenly Father who chose me as his daughter. Our souls are forever tied together through tears and all the laughter. You love me like no other. You say I'm the center of your whole wide world. I'll always be yours. Our souls are forever tied together through tears and all the laughter. You love me like no other. You say I'm the center of your whole wide world. I'll always be my daddy's girl. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. I'm Hanna Muhammad Salim of 2nd D. Today I'm very happy and excited to be here. As we all know, today is Father's Day. So I would like to share an unforgettable moment in my life with my father. But friends, I can't select a single moment because each and every moment with my father are memorable. My father is my best friend and I can share each and everything with him. He's the one who works hard for the family so that we could live a happy and prosperous life. My father is my hero and role model. I love you so much, Chupa. Thank you all. Have a nice day.
A father is neither an anger to hold us back nor a sage to take us there, but a guiding light whose love shows us the way. Hi friends, I am Muhammad Chinal Sen from grade 60B. First of all, I wish a happy and memorable Father's Day to all the fathers in the world. Friends, have you ever thought which could be the best gift that you can give to your father on Father's Day? If you fill your heart with true love and pay respect to your father, that can be one of the best gifts that you can give to your father. Most of the people say that mother truly show their love and care to the children. Yes, of course, mother do it, but it doesn't mean that your father do not have this feeling for their children. They do have this feeling, but they rarely express it. When we fall ill, we can see our mother at times. But dear friends, do believe that your father bears all the pain in the heart. To the children, their father is the true embodiment of many things: sacrifice, patience, courage, etc. So dear friends, show your love and respect to your father and try to understand sacrifice for you. Once again, I wish all the fathers in the world a very happy Father's Day and let them be happy always, and thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, this is Zenha Muzni. Welcome to my channel Zenha's World. Father's Day is usually celebrated in third Sunday in the month of June every year. Father's Day is celebrated to honor and respect all the fathers. Every year I used to make greeting cards, drawings for my father. But this year I have thought of a very unique idea which I share with you all. My father is very fond of chocolates, so I am going to make a chocolate mug cake for him. And I am sure he will love it. So let's get started. Now let's take out the ingredients. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And a pinch of baking powder. Now let's mix all the ingredients. Now we have to add milk. 2 drops of vanilla essence. Again mix well. We can use dry fruits or jams to decorate my cake. We have to bake the cake for 2 minutes. We can take the help of our mom to bake. Wow, this mug cake is ready. Now I am going to decorate it with gems. Sprinkle some crushed gems. Wow, this mug cake looks yummy and tempting. This is the perfect gift to my father on Father's Day. Happy Father's Day!
Dear friends, I am here to share with you a letter that I written for my father on Father's Day. Dearest Dad, wish you a very happy Father's Day. I may not have said it ever, but I want to tell you this, that you are the most amazing father a daughter can have. And I find myself the most blessed one to have you in my life. You have always stood by me through all the good and bad times. You have been the support I had always needed when I was down. You have been my guiding star, who has always taught me the right thing to do. You have been my hero, who was always inspired me, and without you, I cannot imagine my life. Today, I am a successful person because I have a dad who believed in me and my dreams. You have always taught me to dream and motivated to achieve my dreams. You have always infused me with positivity and high spirits. Whatever I know today, you are the reason behind it. I have grown up listening to your advices and entertaining with my jokes. And the best thing is that you have never complained. You have always been so patient with my stupid stories and senseless talks. And I think that what makes you extra special, because each day you made me feel so special. You have never given me so much time that I have not seen even the best of the dads giving to their kids. Dad, I love you so much, and I just want to be a princess and nothing more, because that make me the happiest. On this occasion, I want to promise you that no matter how life changes, you always will find a side for me, because I can stay without anything, but I cannot stay without you. Love you, Dad, and happy Father's Day.